Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers Team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We're out here in Harrisonville. We have started the removal of the first of three leaning stone foundation walls on the house here. So we're kind of just getting everything out of the way. We got the mountain of stone right here that we'll be reusing. Once we have all of this cleared out, probably by the end of today, next week we will begin getting the wall rebuilt back vertically. So we'll make sure to use our high strength concrete mortar mix to rebuild. I'd really encourage anyone who hasn't seen it yet, go back to our video that we did, I would say 2 or 3 months ago. We did a very similar stone foundation wall rebuild project near Midtown Kansas City. We had the garage wall that was bowing inward. We had that rebuilt vertical, as well as a couple sections of the wall inside the basement, and it's essentially the same process here. First thing we do, of course, is make sure we have the floor joist properly supported so we can safely remove the stone. And then once we get the area cleaned of any kind of loose debris, we'll make sure to get our everything level. We'll have a line basically running across just to confirm that the wall is being rebuilt back to vertical. So we really do a lot of prep work before we start mortaring the stone back into place. But once we have the cleanup done, it should go fairly quickly, and then once we get this wall rebuilt, we'll simply move on to the next one, do that, and then the third and final one. So again, just to go back over the project briefly, we have this wall right here that we've started the demo and rebuild on next week, and then we'll move on to this one on the same side of the house, and then once this wall is rebuilt, we'll move back over to the final section right here by the sump pump. And then after that, we have the entire section here where you see gravel. We're going to re-pour a new high-strength concrete basement floor. And then in 5 areas, we are also going to have some permanent high-strength concrete footings, likely around the center structure here on each side, and then the other one right here where the brick is now. And then we'll have some permanent 6x6 treated wood support beams there. We really want to make sure that the floor upstairs is reading level, so that's the purpose of the support beams there. So we have quite a bit left to do. Once the walls are rebuilt, everything else should go fairly quickly. We will likely do the basement floor on 2 separate days with 2 separate pours of concrete, just to kind of make sure that we have everything done nice and neat. We have proper relief joints in the floor here. So yep, stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.